Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'll talk about a Huma Finance, Huma USDT trading pair with my customer set after listing. Let's dive in. Guys, after listing, I use personally initiation accumulation pump model. How to work with this model. Highly recommend you go and check free educational video. Based on this model on OKEX, I want to show you the zone of interest. Here, after listing, this zone of interest. It doesn't mean that price will drop exactly to these zones, guys. It's just my personal zone of interest, and if some token not drop to zone of interest, I just skip it. Just skip this token. When it can take the year, it can take the months, it can take the week, when the price will reach the targets. Nobody know the timing, guys. But we work with possibilities, and of course, the people always want to see something like this one and up only. But I'm more conservative with my targets. I'm better save my initial deposit and not gamble randomly. I need some reasons. I need some logic for entry. So guys, the zone of interest on OKEX, I used OKEX because on this platform, the lowest point, the lowest listing, it was 0.206. On a Binance, it was like 1 cent. So around here is Binance listing. And here is the OKEX. So it's kind of different zone of interest based on this listing price. This is zone of fixation profit. So if the price will drop to this block, it can be 120%. If drop to this area, it can be around 200%, right? 181. If this area 300 and this one is 400. You can start to use DCA if you believe in this project, if you like the metrics and you get a plan for this token. 1, 2, 3, 4 orders. Got it. Take a look at the data now. Like usual, guys, after listing, almost all tokens listed with a horrible market capitalization and FDV because 600 million. FDV, market cap 100. Only 17% tokens. In circulation supply, 1.73 billion. So to hit $1, we have to reach like almost 2 billion market cap, right? You have to pay attention for the unlocks. Next unlock will be in the next 90 days. Highly recommend you track all this data, right? And build a plan based on investing schedule for your plan, for investment. Fundraising rounds, guys. Now it's zone 25. Seed round for this token was in February, zone 23. Series A round was in September 2024. Now the launch pool on the Binance is only 2.5% supply distributed. Here, of course, investors, team and advisor unlocks will start in 364 days, next one. And here's the same. So it will be the April 26. Basically, that time, it will be the main time to sell. What the price will be till that time, it's hard to say. Most likely, I believe in the bullish, the uptrend for summer or autumn, or at least spring 2026, right? But I don't like the stuff like this one. Untrack it. Data unavailable. Tokens may be unlocked at any moment. 32% of supply. It's kind of weird. It's always kind of weird. But anyway, you have to understand the funds and investors, bakers get a token because they invest in zone 23. And I'm more than sure they get their tokens at so low price, right? Their allocation. So, right, we can work only with current data. We can't know the past here. And we can't know the future. We can work with the zones and build a plan what to do now. So if you believe in this project, if you want to accumulate this one, if you want to reduce your risk, you can use this model totally for free. Once again, go and check the educational video. So the first zone of interest here, 3 cents 64, 2 cents 92, 1 cent 90, 1 cent 45. Pretty simple. This is a zone where you need to at least withdraw initial deposit or fix some swing trades. Do I believe in all-time high? Yes, of course, it's more than real to see after this move, or it can be the Celestia model, like I call it, because Celestia forms something like this one, for example. And let's say it can be the, autumn 2025. And after that, step by step, the whales can distribute a backs in zone 26, right, when they get unlocks. to the zone of interest. So Celestia, if you forgot about Celestia, I remind you how it looks like. TIA USDT. Bam. This is, by the way, guys, weekly time frame. So here, from listing price on the Binance was $1.90. We hit to $21. Now we landed to $2.86 after here, after 523 days. So guys, no makes sense to scream about now, oh, it's impossible, and we will never drop to this zone of interest and all of this stuff. Guys, absolutely everything possible in crypto. Just matter of time, because we can't know the plan of market makers, we can't know the plan of influencer, paid influencer, we can't know the plan of the team, we can't know how do they spread the allocation between the wallets, you know. So let's be real, guys. So of course, much better work with realistic data and build a plan based on this data. All right, if we will drop to this block, you can take an action, buy or not. It's only up to you. I just mark my zones. And of course, guys, if this token will drop to these zones, it doesn't mean I will buy this token. I can't buy every single token. It's only the fancy influencer all the time get an unlimited budget and buy every single token, guys. So let's be real. ADZ direction market mood with my customer research. What's going on now locally on small time frames, guys? Here, 4 hour time frame, crazy euphoria. 1 hour time frame, this is accumulation. That's why on 1 hour time frame, guys, when we see something like this one, like accumulation, we can form or uptrend, right? And healthy distribution, or we can form the downtrend and divergence. Pretty simple. Now we have to take a look how the BTC perform, what will happen this summer, June at the beginning with the BTC dominance. But definitely, guys, after listing, it's almost never the good time to buy it. Just a few maybe tokens perform pretty good one. And now the Wallet Connect perform good one. The Jupiter perform pretty good one, but after the 500 days it landed anyway to the 0.5 level FIB. So guys, you can open the chart of Jupiter. It was like something like this one and dump. So guys, never say never. It's so obvious. So most likely the token will land sooner or later to this zone of interest. Here, this is accumulation. We lay down at the bottom on direction on 30 minutes time frame. No data for buy signals now. Market mood, guys. This is still euphoria on even on 30 minutes time frame. Money power, nothing. No money inflow, nothing. 1 hour time frame with the bottom, but without any money inflow. It was a tiny money inflow on 15 minutes time frame. Price react a bit, so like 4%. Anyway, you could trade it. You could trade it even intraday, and even the scalp. You can use it even for scalp. But guys, always work with proper money management and risk management. Trade on 15 minutes time frame. No data. 5 minutes time frame. It's for scalpers, right? So buy, recommendation to close position, recommendation close position. Take profit, sell, buy, take close position. So you can scalp it. But I'm not a fan of scalp, you know. Take profit, guys, indicator, 15-minute time frame, no data, 5-minute time frame here. Now the take profit line is exactly the zone of fixation. Now take profit line on 5-minute time frame, it's 8 cents 41. Buy line now it's 4 cents 24. Fundamental value of the stock on the 5-minute time frame only 3 cents and 14. So this is it, guys. I hope you like this video, guys. I highly recommend you just use this intentional accumulation pump model, or just go and double check with this model all previously listed tokens, and you will be surprised. If you would like to trade with my customer request, what I showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.